The best drawing tablets will help you realize your artistic potential, whether you're an amateur artist or an experienced professional. However, choosing the right one for your needs can be a bit of a minefield. First, you need to identify which kind you need, whether it's a tablet with its own screen, pen display, a blank slate that you use with your monitor, pen tablet, or a portable all-in-one tablet like an iPad. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 6 best drawing tablets and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 6. Huion Kamvas Pro 12. The Huion Kamvas Pro 12 is an excellent pen display tablet that costs only $250. Huion drawing tablets have come a long way in the last decade, and while some of its models can go up to $600, this tablet is a great budget option. The tablet has 4 user-defined express keys and a touch bar to control canvas zooming, brush adjusting, and page scrolling. Like Wacom Intuos Pro, you can customize these express keys. The display has a 120% sRGB color gamut, presenting 16.7 million colors vividly. The anti-glare technology reduces glare while working in a brighter setting. To shorten the distance between the pen nib and the cursor, even though this is a pen display tablet, this model still requires you to connect it to a computer or laptop for it to work. Number 5. Pen Artist 12. The XP Pen Artist 12 is our top pick for drawing tablets because of its compatibility, customization options, and reasonable price point. The 11.6-inch touchscreen display with a 1920 by 1080 HD IPS display may not have the highest resolution available, but with 72% NTSC color gamut accuracy, it reproduces your work with precision. You can draw on the device's surface and see your lines and colors appear in real time, making it feel like you're creating art in the real world. The passive hexagonal pen feels like a pencil and allows for 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, giving your work a hand-sketched feel. The pen does not require charging, making it hassle-free. Additionally, the Artist 12 has a full high-touch bar that you can program to fulfill commands on your computer. XP Pen recommends mapping it to the zoom-in/zoom-out feature, and you can also use the 6 assignable shortcut keys to customize your workflow. The device is compatible with Windows 7, 8, or 10, 32 or 64-bit, and Mac OS X 10.10 or newer. Overall, the XP Pen Artist 12 is a full-featured control surface for your design programs, making it more than just a drawing tablet. Number 4. Gaomon PD1560. The Gaomon PD1560 features a large and bright 15.6-inch display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. This device is comparable to the options offered by Wacom, but it does not have a touch wheel or flashy multi-touch feature. As a result, we believe it is a more fitting competitor for our top pick from XP Pen. The Gaomon PD1560 boasts 72% color gamut accuracy and 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity from the active pen, which are among its most notable features. It also offers 10 assignable function keys located in a column on the left edge of the device, which is more than the Artist 12 from XP Pen. However, this device is nearly $100 more expensive than the Artist 12. The IPS display's brightness and the extra function keys may be sufficient reasons for some people to pay the higher price tag, but the device's awkwardly wide form factor, which is different from something like the less sprawling Cintiq 15, means it will take up a lot of space on your desk. There is no denying that this is an excellent peripheral with truly impressive pen specs. During testing, we found that the pen performed flawlessly, although we noted that the side buttons could be more pronounced. Number 3. Wacom Intuos Pro. The Wacom PTH860 and 20 Pro are slim and versatile pen-based drawing tablets. They have a large 12-inch active surface and customizable express keys for easy access to common actions. The battery-free stylus pen provides comfortable and nearly lag-free operation. The Intuos Pro is compatible with Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, and other applications. The tablet comes with the Wacom Pro pen, but it also works with the optional Wacom Airbrush pen. It feels sturdy in hand, whether it's positioned on your desk or on your lap. Number 2. iPad Pro 12.9-inch M2. The iPad Pro offers the best of both worlds. If having the best drawing tablet is not enough for you, and you need an all-around tablet, then the all-new 12.9-inch M2 iPad Pro is the only choice. It is way ahead of the rest of the tablet market. The iPad Pro is powered by Apple's blazing fast M2 chip, providing stunning performance. It also has a multi-LED XDR display with amazing brightness, as well as local dimming to deliver astonishing contrast. When you combine these features with the wonderfully smooth and intuitive Apple Pencil 2, you have a near-unbeatable all-in-one system for creating digital art as well as showcasing it to the best effect. However, whether it is your top pick or not depends on your needs. The iPad Pro 12.9-inch M2 is very powerful and priced accordingly. If you are only looking for a drawing tablet and won't need its many other features, it probably isn't worth it. A dedicated tool like the others on this list will offer greater value for money. Nonetheless, we cannot deny that this is one of the best overall tablets on the market right now and one of the greatest for drawing, no question. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq 22. Wacom Cintiq 22 is a well-known name in the digital world, and it's easy to see why. With superior pressure sensitivity, great value, and artist-first features, it's only in recent years that rivals have started to offer much competition. The Wacom Cintiq 22 is a pen display tablet and Wacom's answer to those who generally use tablets such as the iPad. It's a fully realized drawing tablet with plenty of space to create, and we think it's the best all-round option for value, size, design, and features. Given its size, performance, and HD resolution solution, it's competitively priced. While other tablets and laptops may offer slightly more in the graphics department, the larger screen lends itself to detailed work and a smoother user experience. The 22-inch panel gives artists plenty of room to play, but even the smaller 15.6-inch panel far exceeds the size and quality of many other tablets on this list. The tablet features folding legs that feel solid and secure in use and can clip away neatly into the rear of the device. Alternatively, you can attach a third-party tablet stand. The Cintiq is fantastic for all artists, from hobbyists to professionals, and despite its pretty approachable price tag, it offers a really impressive drawing experience. The slate has an incredibly high LPI resolution of 80, and when paired with the wonderful Wacom Pro Pen 2, which has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and is widely considered to be the best stylus available, the slate is about as good as it gets for precision. There you have it, the absolute best drawing tablets. If this video resonates with you, don't hesitate to hit the thumbs up button. If you have a burning question, an idea for our next review, or just want to chat, drop a comment below. We value your insights and are always eager to engage in conversation. And if you decide to subscribe, welcome to the Tech Tribe. We have some epic content coming your way, so buckle up. Until next time, keep rocking, stay safe, and catch you on the flip side. Peace out.